What's up guys, my name's Brandon and today we're going to check out 5 different last minute Christmas gift ideas that you can get someone or even get yourself. So one of them is quite expensive regarding last minute gift ideas, but some of them are really inexpensive and easy to get a hold of. So with that said, let's just not waste any more time and get into it. Okay, before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you go down, maybe give this video a like or even subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. It brings more content to you guys. So back to the video. Okay, so I'm gonna start the list from the cheapest item and go all up to the most expensive item. So with that said, the first item is a pack of cards. Like, this sounds very random for a photographer or people who make films or whatever, but this is probably one of the coolest gifts someone can give you or even buy for yourself. It's really cheap. I think it's like $7 to $12 for a pack of decent playing cards. Like, these are from Theory 11. I got them on Amazon and they are pretty much the best thing you can get. Like, it's very cheap and it sounds random, but I use them a lot in my photos, like especially when you do flat lays or product photography. It's awesome to build a scene or set around a certain product. So what I use these cards for is usually just I throw them around the product or just as an accent piece because they look so nice. As you can see, very much a lot of detail in this pack of cards. So this is one of like the easiest gifts or something you can buy just to spice up your photos and just give it another type of vibe to everything. So with that said, that's number 1, pack of cards. Can't go wrong with it. Let's just go on to number 2. Okay guys, so for number 2, we have this camera strap from Peak Designs. Okay, so I'm not personally a big fan of camera straps, but they are useful and people need them. Like, if you own a camera, you need one of these things. And personally, this one is the best for me. Like, I can take it off when I want to because it has these quick release clips that connect with joiners into your camera. So you connect the other side of these ends onto your camera, connect them into this, and you can take it off as easy as 1, 2, 3 with it. So this really helps because I prefer not having a strap on my camera, but there are days that I really need it when I'm taking video or just want to carry around my camera wherever I go. It really helps. And what I can say is the build quality of these things are really nice compared to like normal camera straps you get with your camera or something like that, because it has like these small little grip rubber ends like on the piece of the like strap that goes around your neck or that you sling around your shoulder. So that's really cool. And then the adjustment clips are super nice, like ASMR. It's really nice. It has these red bolts, just give it a different vibe, and they are really nice and easy to adjust. Just flick it open, drag it, and boom, lock it again. It's really awesome. Has this small little Peak Designs branding on the side, so it's very minimal. Never know what you're gonna expect, but just really awesome. You can't go wrong with it, and I think the price is like $50 on Amazon at the moment. So it's really a nice purchase if you're looking to get a new camera strap or even give someone something awesome to upgrade their camera gear with. Go check out the Peak Designs camera strap. Okay guys, so coming at number 3, we have the Ultimate Ears Wonder Boom. This thing is a beast, I can tell you that. So this is actually the first model, I can say, like the first model they ever made. I think there is maybe 1 or 2 more new models that they came up with after this one, but I still have this one and it is awesome. Like, I think you can find them anywhere like around $60 depending on where you look. This thing is really cool, especially when you're doing photo shoots and you just want to get more of a casual vibe. You can just throw this thing on, play some music, and everyone's happy chilling there listening to music. Or even when you travel or whenever, you always need a speaker when you're with people. It really brings out a vibe. So I really enjoy taking this wherever I go, and the sound quality is really decent for how small this thing is. You can see it's quite small, but The sound quality is proper for the size and I have no trouble with this thing. So I really recommend you go and check this thing out if you don't have a speaker or looking to buy a speaker. So with that said, let's just hop on to number 4. Okay guys, so number 4 is the Rode Video Micro. I currently can't show it for you guys because it's on my camera at the moment. It's the only mic I use for now and it's really a decent mic. If you guys want, you can leave a comment down below saying if I should make a video on this particular mic, then I can show you guys what the sound difference is between an in-camera mic versus this thing if you slap it onto your camera. And for the size, it's really a decent option if you want to upgrade your audio, because audio is half of your video and it needs to sound a bit better than just something coming out of an old DSLR or whatever. So I highly recommend upgrading audio, and for the price, you can't go wrong with it, especially now with Christmas coming up. It sounds like a perfect gift to give someone or even get yourself. So yeah, that's all I have to say about it. I'll probably make a video about it anyways. Hope you stay tuned for that. And with that said, let's just hop into the last item. Okay guys, so for the last item, number 5, we have probably the most expensive item on this list. Although all of these items were under $100, this next item is probably around $200. I'll just link the price or show the price somewhere here. But yeah, depending on where you get it, the price may vary, but we are talking about the Sony 50mm 1.8. I did make a video about it a few days ago, which you can go check out with the link up here, but this thing is just awesome. I can highly recommend just go watch that video. Then I talk all about this lens, but it's a good recommendation for Christmas because it's one of the cheapest Sony lenses you can buy at the moment, new. Depending, if you buy used lenses, you can get it for probably a lot cheaper. But if you're talking new prices, this is the cheapest lens you can get. And especially for that photographer in your life, everyone needs this. The 50mm is the nifty 50. We all need this thing. So with that said, that's all I have for you guys. Alright guys, there you have it. That's 5 different last minute gift ideas I have for you guys. Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this video and I hoped you got some inspiration from it. There's not much to say, but I hope all of you have a blessed Christmas and spend it with your loved ones. It's been a tough year and we all just need some time to relax and spend with our loved ones. So with that said, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button. It really helps out the channel, and maybe subscribe if you enjoyed this content. So with that said, hope to see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.